Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to recover your Steam account without a password and email. So the first thing we have to do is open up a browser. I'm going to choose Chrome for this example. Once your browser is opened up, search for Steam. So you'll find the Steam website, so click it open. Once you're on the Steam website, go to the top right corner and click on the sign in button. And since you don't remember your email or password, click on Help I Can't Sign In on the bottom. So this will lead you to the Steam support page where you have different options. So click on the I forgot my Steam account name or password option. So in this stage, what you need to do is type in your email address if you remember it. If you don't have access to your email or you forgot your email, it's okay. You can type in your current email address. Then click on I am human and complete the CAPTCHA. After completing the CAPTCHA, click on search. So here you have two options. The first option is to send an account verification to the email address you just filled in. If it is your email address, then this is the best option. But if you don't access to your email address, then click on the bottom option. So this will lead you to the following page. So in the first page, you will enter your current email address that you want to switch your Steam account to. And on the second type, you'll type in the username of your account. Then you will input the first email that you opened your Steam account on. Then after that, you'll input your phone number. Then after inputting your phone number, this is important, you will type in about the issue you're having. So type in the issue you're having, and if you have any attachments or any way to prove that it is your account, it may be the date of purchase or the games on your library, please write it here. So after telling Steam your issues, click on the CAPTCHA saying I am human, and then finally click on send. So to confirm the current email is yours, Steam will send you an email on your code. So you'll input the code. After inputting the code, you'll click on send. So after clicking on send, Steam will contact you after 2 to 3 days. Wait for them and hopefully they will recover your account. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.